Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming key prerequisites. Your YouTube channel must have live streaming enabled and Streamlabs desktop installed. Once done, sign into Streamlabs and grant chatbot permissions to manage chat and moderation. This lets commands and timers run. Now download Streamlabs Chatbot for Windows and run it as administrator so it can access ports and overwrite settings. You should then use the built-in YouTube connector in the bot to authenticate. Make sure the correct channel is selected before proceeding. Once authorized, paste the OAuth token into the Chatbot Connection tab so the bot can post and read messages. Then configure essential modules, enable moderation with thresholds, create timers for recurring messages, and set up points so viewers can earn rewards. Add custom commands for common responses and connect third-party APIs where needed. This is how overlays and alerts will communicate. Make sure you define the owner ID and bot username correctly, so permission checks behave as expected during stream. To finish, run a private or unlisted stream and test every command, timer, and point transaction so you can fix logic early. Make sure the bot account is a moderator and that YouTube chat settings allow the messages you intend to send. Otherwise, commands may be blocked. If overlays or integrations misbehave, restart Streamlabs Chatbot and re-authenticate the OAuth token. This fixes most connectivity errors. Finally, log issues in the bot console so you can reproduce and resolve problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.